It's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to wipe the data off your Samsung phone. And this is actually really easy, but it does require you to have a PC nearby with a cable. So what you want to do is turn off your phone. So you can swipe down from the top and you can go to power, wherever it is. So let's go to the top right, there we go. Then go to power right here. And we need to completely turn off our phone. Go to power off. Now plug in a USB cable to your computer, USB to USB-C. Wait for your phone to be completely turned off, and then plug this in. And wait for the symbol to show up that it's charging. Okay, this is good. Now we want to hold down the volume up button and the power button. Okay, let's do that now. So both those buttons are pressed down, and we can let go when we see the Samsung symbol. Boom. Now it should launch into the recovery mode, and we can see all these different options. So let's zoom in and then go down to this. You can move it with the arrow keys. So let's go down with the volume down, and then you can go to where it says wipe data, factory reset, and then press this button, the power key, and that should recover or delete everything, and you can start up your phone like new if you forgot your password or something like that. So those are all the different options. Now I can reboot my system and I can unplug this. So very easy to do. You just need this little wire. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.